From who? Jill?
I know Jenny handed it to me. Maybe it's from Jenny.
I think it's just from...
Jenny?
Is this lip gloss? Perfect.
Is it
So I can get it all over your face.
Oh. Oh.
Cute.
That's nice.
Okay.
Are they all open now?
This one.
Are there more?
I think she has
That's
two
adorable.
more.
Oh,
Show me me. It better be a cat.
it's a bunny.
Same thing.
Oh, because of...
Okay.
Is it Easter? No.
Oh, I'll get this one.
Aww.
So are there any cats?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's cats, dogs, and a bunny.
And bunnies.
What is yours, Jeremy? July.